Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So one of my favorite things to do is to pour through different objects and see what happens. So today I'm going to pour through this mini fake Christmas wreath. I think it would have the same effect more or less with a real one because you'll just have all the little, pine needles and whatnot. I am going to use white, red, green, and gold today, which is a bit of a risky color combo, but I think we can make it work. It'll be very Christmassy. And these are all Artist Loft Flow acrylics, except for the gold is Folkart metallics. So try not to put the red and white next to each other because I don't want a lot of pink. And this is a 10 by 10 canvas. I need somewhere around 6 or 7 ounces of paint. So I think this should be good. Adding a tiny bit more gold. Okay. And here we go. I'm kind of going to tree ring in the center of this. I'm just super curious what effect those little spikies will have on the pattern. For me, art is all about experimenting. And so far, this is awesome. I'm going to bring you down real quick. I really should get a side view camera, huh? Look at that. That is so friggin' cool. I want to let this sit here by itself for a little while and let it just keep kind of seeping out. Maybe not much. Actually, you know what? It seems like it's actually not moving that much. So let's go ahead and we'll move this. So as you can see, all these side little whoosh, that is really cool. And because I did a tree ring, I think the center will still also be super cool. I'm also very happy that my colors seem to be working out together. This is actually really cool. Moving this back this way a little bit. All right. Awesome. And yeah, the colors worked out great. Very Christmassy. Okay, cool. So I'm going to let this sit here for a little bit. We're going to see if anything else develops and whatnot, and then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. This is just super cool. These patterns on the side here were developed from the little fake pine needles, and I haven't really seen that effect with another method, so that's really cool. I think I'm actually probably going to play around this a little bit with this a little bit more, but let's do our close-up. So starting on the lower right hand corner here, and like I said, also really happy with the color combo. It's kind of a risky color combo, but I really didn't get hardly any pink at all. And also there's the worry of the green and red mixing unfavorably, but it came out perfectly. Like, check out this corner over here. Super cool. Interesting patterns. And then lower left hand corner. And I love this lacing over here. And the center. There you go. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what's the craziest thing you've ever poured through. I hope you guys are like having a lot of fun this holiday season playing around with acrylic pouring on and through different objects, different color combinations and whatnot. So I will see you all later.